So we're gonna do this full rebuild right here in 2 days. It's at 10:30 on Friday right now. So we have a greaseless closing, greaseless firming, new main pins, greaseless adjuster shaft by Eric will put in there. There's gonna be a boot stabilizer put on there, new disc. 2 days, 40 footer, 10-inch spacing, it's 48 row units. We started at 10:30. 11:17. Got the closing and firming off. 12:10. Boots and discs are off. Now we're gonna get the arms off here and then get these adjuster shafts out. 12:30, so we're gonna break it right now. Break time. All right, we took a break, and it's 2:25 now, and we got these pressed out. Those things. Got those bolts out. And now we're gonna beat out all these bushings here, and those pins. All right, 450. So we got those greaseless adjuster shafts in. Someone's working on cleaning these housings. I'm gonna start doing the main pins and bushings. It's 7:15. We got all those in and done. These main pins, that's just in the back. Probably won't get them done tonight. Anyway. It's about 8:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna spend the morning cleaning everything up we knocked out. And we should get this done today. 10:30, now gotten the boots going on here. Stabilizers. Those pins and bushings are in all sides. All the main pins are in. It's 11:20. All the boots on. 3 more stabilizers. Need to have pins on them and tightened. But the boots are on. It's 11:20. Oh, he's coming on. He's putting the pins and tying them up there. And then we got to do all the bad bearings and the closing and firming. All right, it's 150. Now we're putting on the closing and firming. Basically just putting the last pieces together on it. And then we put these on last. It's not here. It's 2:30 and everyone's going for a nice long lunch. We basically just have to put C2 bolts in here. And the gauge wheels on, and this will be done. All right, it's 5:30 now. We just finished up this drill. It took 15 hours with 3 men, so that's 45 working hours. Guarantee you John Deere would probably charge you about 175, 150 hours. And yeah, so 2 days, kind of like 2 8-hour work days with breaks. 3 men, completely done. Greaseless closing, greaseless firming kits, greaseless adjuster shaft as well from Eric's Australia, main pin kits, boot stabilizers from Pro Stitch. You can get those from Ready or from us. And we did, I don't know, I think about 12 of these bearings. We didn't do any hose on this, but yeah. 2 days, full rebuild.